The department list is in a format similar to a spreadsheet. A list can be sorted, filtered, and searched to help you locate a record or a group of records. We can customize the columns on the top of the list. Here's our options that we have available to us. We can remove one if we want to from the list. We can add it. We can move the columns to the area that we want to. We can also sort the list, so we can click any column header to sort the list by the values in that column. Click the same header a second time to change the sort order to ascending or descending. A small triangle shown here indicates the column by which the list is currently sorted. You can use a scroll bar on the right of the window. We don't have that on this demonstration because there's not enough departments, so it doesn't scroll. You can also search for a record. So you click your mouse into the search department, and we're going to enter in the department code of COM for computer, and everything will list under that department. We can click on that department, and then we can choose I want to, and we can either add a record, we can edit a record, edit the record that's highlighted, we can copy that record that's highlighted, and we can delete if we want to delete the record. You can also export the list to Excel, or you can run a report showing the department summary or the department list. You can also show the details. You can hide the details. You can also add a new department from this button. And you can also edit the record that's highlighted. There are options for you on the left side of the screen. So you have these buttons, so you can copy the department record. You can also delete a department record. You can run reports, and you can add a new department. Now if you want different buttons, you can click on the Customize button, and you can choose what available task you want to show. So you can add them, you can remove them, so you can customize it exactly the way that you want. We'll close out of there. Another way to search through the department list is to use your up and down keys on your keyboard. You can also use your Control Home button, and that will take you to the top of the toolbar. You can also click Control N, of course, to go to the last record in the row. You can use the page up to move to the very top of the screen, and page down to move to the end of the screen. Use your arrow keys or tab and shift and tab to move one column right or left respectively within that row. You can press the home to go to the very first record, or you can go to N to go down to the last of that row. You can change the column width, and you can edit a record by double-clicking on the department. That's how you can work within a list.
Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe and click on the bell to be notified when I make another video about point of sale. Thank you, everybody.